What's up, dudes? It is Llama here, and I am with the one, the only, the
Venomous player.
Venom, and happy Tuesday. I'm just making a quick video because I had a fun idea. My idea is I do not upload tomorrow, but instead on Thursday, making an entire, at least 6-minute video on either the only comment in the comment section or the most liked comment in the comment section. I don't care what it is. If it's something like kill yourself or something, and if that gets the most likes, I will still make at least 6-minute video on that. So this is a fun thing. So leave comments down below. Don't make it too stupid, or maybe make it stupid. I don't really know. Quickly, as you can see, I tried making my bed in like 2 seconds. Venom is gonna put down there, no one likes you. Yeah, and yeah, with a question mark. So, doubt will so far be the only comment. Please, do not make me make a video on how no one likes me. So, that's it for now. See you guys on Thursday. Please like, subscribe, and